Today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, we are making a horseradish crusted salmon fillet. Let's get started on today's video. Today we're going to be making a horseradish panko crusted salmon that I'm really excited to try. So I'm going to show you what you need to put all this together. So I'm going to bring you down and show you the mixture. Right here, I've got 2 pink salmon fillets that we're going to be using, but we're going to be making up a topping to go on it. So I'm going to set this aside. In our bowl, I'm going to be adding a 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. I'm using the plain ones. Got 1½ tablespoons of horseradish. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of honey. And we're just going to mix this up. To this, I'm adding a pinch of salt and a couple cracks of my pepper melody pepper. Give it one more little stir. And then we're going to bring our salmon back over. And we're just going to put our topping on top of the salmon. And you're going to want to press it down so you can get it even. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven and cook it at 425 for 8 minutes. Then I'm going to turn the broiler on and just broil it for another minute or 2 to get the top really nice and crusty. We'll be right back. Okay, our fish has come out of the oven. I'm going to pair it with some lemon wedges and give it a little sprinkle of some parsley, just for a little green. Don't this look so good? I'm really excited to try this. Hey, did you know I have a brand new newsletter? If you'll sign up in the link below, every month I send out just what's going on around on the farm and recipes and all kinds of fun stuff. I'd love to have you on my mailing list. And if you haven't, be sure and give this a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. We'll see you guys on the next video.